Hello, guess what? I got a gift in the mail from Nina in the Hills. It says on the outside what it is, but I'm not going to read it. But I'm so excited. Because I read it anyway. So I wanted to... You're kind of in the light, aren't you there? I don't know if that works very well. Look at this. So lovely. Ah, she made me an apron. We were talking about aprons on the phone, and then she made me one. What a sweetheart you are, Nina. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm going to have an apron I can wear. Look at this. I guess it goes over my head? Under the hat, of course. Oh, wow, look at this. I have an apron. It's nice. Look at this, Willow. Nina gave me an apron. Yeah. It fits, too. I could tie it up. Thank you so much, Nina. Oh, look, there's pockets. Pockets. Can you see it? This is a lovely apron. Now I have to get a hat that matches. Where's the hat I was wearing today? My green hat. That would fit. That would go with it. Let's just find it here. Right here on the floor. There. Does that look good? Oh, I have an apron. But I don't want to ruin it. I ruin everything. Thank you for making that. That's really sweet of you, Nina.